ये माइक म्यूट कर लो, किसका है? ओके, सो we will start from the next topic, right? The topic is point various forms of equations of lines. Okay, various forms of equations of line. My voice is clear? दिख रहा है whatever I am writing? Is it visible? Okay, so we will be doing two forms. The one is horizontal lines and the other will be vertical lines. Horizontal line. Suppose you are given the value of y is equals to a or y is equals to minus a. Y can take any value, right? Y की value 2, 3, 4, anything. Y can take any value, right? सो हाउ यू विल ड्रॉ? सो आप अगर आपको दो पॉइंट दिए हों से 1, 2, आपको x की वैल्यू पता है, आपको y की वैल्यू पता है, यू कैन ड्रॉ इट, राइट? when we are given 2 points we can easily draw, but what will be the line, right? What will be the point if we are given only y is equals to a? Y is equals to a, or you might be given y is equals to 2. This means we are given only the value of y. So x is not given, we can assume any value of x. So how we will plot it? मान लो हमारे पास ये एक्सिस हैं, ये x एक्सिस है, ये y एक्सिस है, राइट? और यहाँ पे मैंने एक पॉइंट ले लिया a एंड हेयर आई एम टेकिंग अ पॉइंट माइनस a की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है. नाउ इट इज़ अ लाइन. यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 4, and x can also take negative values -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, right? अब अगर मुझे ड्रॉ करना है y is equals to a, that means y can take anywhere, y is equals to a every time and x can take any value. जब x की वैल्यू 1 होगी, y की वैल्यू a, x की वैल्यू 2, y की वैल्यू a, x की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो, the value of y is fixed, and also x can take negative value. The value of y is fixed, which is a. So this will be the line y is equals to a and we call it horizontal line. So अगर आपको y is equals to 2 एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, so you will take a point 2, you need not to write the x points and everything, you will only draw a horizontal line. अगर आपको y is equals to minus a, that means x can take any value, x की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, y will take only value minus a, y की वैल्यू सिर्फ माइनस a होगी. Okay, just wait, the ppt is not responding. System got hanged. So this will be two horizontal lines, y is equals to a and y is equals to minus a. Next we will be doing vertical lines. Okay, okay. So next we will be doing vertical line. Okay, vertical line. We have discussed till now horizontal line. Now what will be the vertical line? if now if I am given x की value b, x की value minus b, this point b is not fixed. This point b can take any value. B की value 4, 500, 200, any value can be given. So you have to draw these two lines. तो ये lines क्या होंगी? x की value b fix, y can take any value. So suppose I am taking x point b here and x point minus b here, and y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? Then y can take any value. माइक म्यूट कर दो प्लीज जिसका भी है. y can take any value. y की वैल्यू 1 होगी तो भी x की वैल्यू b है. y की वैल्यू 4 होगी तो भी x की वैल्यू b है. y की वैल्यू नेगेटिव होगी तो भी x की वैल्यू b है. x इज फिक्स्ड, सो वी विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन हेयर x इज इक्वल्स टू b. यहाँ पे एक इन पॉइंट्स के ऊपर एक लाइन आ जाएगी x इज इक्वल्स टू b. If you have to draw x is equals to minus b, then y can take any value. y की वैल्यू -1 भी हो सकती है, -4 भी हो सकती है, राइट, -3 भी हो सकती है. y can take any value, and but x, the value of x is fixed, that is minus b. So if you have to draw any line, say x is equals to 3, x is equals to -5, so you will draw x is equals to 3, यहाँ पे 3, and you will draw a line. x is equals to -5 and you will draw a line, and these lines are called vertical lines. Okay, so in the exam you can be asked how to draw x is equals to 5, x is equals to c. So you must be knowing कि अगर x is a constant, then it is a vertical line. Y is a constant, it is a horizontal line. These are the basic concepts, okay, which are used at so many places. Now the next is, I'm taking the example number 6 from your book. Find the equations of lines. Find the equations of lines parallel to axis. Parallel axis means x-axis and y-axis, and passing through -2, 3. Okay, we have to draw the lines which are parallel to axis, means parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, and the line should be passing through -2 and 3. So we will draw the axis first. Say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. x की वैल्यू -2, say this is -1, this is -2, right? y की वैल्यू 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. So you will be taking a point somewhere here, okay, -2, 3. Then find the equation of line parallel to axis अब and passing through the points. अब हमें एक line parallel to axis, so we will be drawing a line y is equals to 3. y is equals to 3, pass through this point, and this line is parallel to x axis. Then we will draw a line x is equals to -2, right? We will draw this line x is equals to -2. This x is equals to -2 is parallel to y-axis, and this line also passes through the point -2, 3, right? So this is the answer, this is the solution for this question. So lines parallel to axis means line parallel to x-axis and line parallel to y-axis. So आपको सिर्फ point दिया हुआ है -2, 3, from which these two lines will be passing. Okay, so you have to draw this way. Up to here it is clear what I have teach? Any doubt? Any student have any doubt? My voice is clear? Okay. So next. Now everything which we will be doing is a deduction. Deduction from the slope, from the equations of lines, right? Whatever we have done till now. I am going for point slope form. Okay. What is point slope form? A point slope form, a point slope form is a form. Please mute the mic. Okay. Point slope form, right, in which you will be given a point and a slope. सीधी सी बात है, एक point दिया होगा, एक slope दी होगी. That is point slope form. Let us given a point x naught comma y naught. Point is x naught comma y naught and slope is m. Okay. So we have to make the equation for point slope form so that it will be a shortcut when the questions will be given related to point and slope, and we have to find the equation of line. Now point P naught x naught comma y naught, point P x comma y, and then slope m. Okay. P x comma y is any variable point. इसकी वैल्यू हमें नहीं दी हुई. We are going to derive the equation when a point x naught comma y naught and slope m is given. Okay. So we will apply what we know. I know the formula for slope m is equals to y, right? होता क्या है, वी आर गिवन 2 पॉइंट्स y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. अब मेरा एक पॉइंट क्या है, y2 क्या है, y माइनस मेरा y1 क्या है, y0 अपॉन मेरा x2 क्या है, x माइनस x1 क्या है, x0. I haven't done anything new. I have applied the concept which I already know. I know the formula of slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So my y2 is point y which is unknown minus y0 upon this x minus Harsh Jaswal, what are you doing? Okay, now we have to cross multiply and simplify. I'll cross multiply. Okay, so what I will be having, y minus y0 is equals to m into x minus x0, right? Now y0 is given, x0 is given, right, and slope m is given. You can find the value of x and y. Okay, so this is called point slope form, and it will always give us equation of line when a point and a slope is given. Okay, now next I am going to take example based upon this concept. Find the equation of line find the equation of line through minus 2 comma 3 through minus 2 comma 3 with slope minus 4. Find the equation of the line through point minus 2 comma 3 with slope minus 4. Now what you have given, a point and a slope. So this is the question related to point slope form, right? एक आपको point दिया हुआ है, एक आपको slope दी हुई है. You have to find the equation of line. So you know that, Oh no. Okay, fine. So it is saved now. If x naught comma y naught is a given point and m is a slope, then the point slope form says that y minus y naught is equals to m into x minus x naught. Here x naught comma y naught is equals to minus 2 comma 3 and m is equals to minus 4. Put the values, right? Values क्या आ जाएंगी? y minus y naught means 3 is equals to m की वैल्यू minus 4, x minus x naught की वैल्यू minus 2. So y minus 3 is equals to minus 4, x plus 2. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो. y माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4x माइनस 4 टू ज़ार 8. y माइनस 4x को इधर ले आओ, प्लस 4x माइनस 3 प्लस 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. implies you can write it as 4x plus y minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 is equals to 0, which is required equation of line. Okay, so these type of questions are important related to point and slope. Now I am giving you one question, you have to solve it. Okay, this is from your exercise 10.2. Question number 2. Find equation of line. Find equation of line through the point. You people will solve it and give me the solution right now. Okay, through the point minus 4 comma 3 and slope is 1 by 2. देखते हैं कौन पहले करेगा. Find the equation of line through the point minus 4 comma 3 and slope is 1 by 2. So आपको एक point दिया हुआ है, एक slope दी हुई है. So it is very clear, right, that it is a point slope form. The formula I am writing, y minus y naught is equals to m into x minus x naught. So put the values and let me know the answer. y naught की वैल्यू 3, m 1 by 2, x naught की वैल्यू minus 4, minus plus 4. So I am taking 2, I am cross multiplying. 2 into y minus 3 is equals to x plus 4. 2 into y minus 3 2s are 6 is equals to x plus 4. So now rearrange the terms. चाहे x वाली टर्म को इधर ले जाओ, चाहे y वाली टर्म को इधर ले जाओ. So x minus 2y plus 4 minus 6 will be plus 6 is equals to 0, which implies x minus 2y plus 10 is equals to 0 is the required solution. Okay, not solution, we will write it as answer. Okay, so we will write it as answer. Okay, this will be the answer to the question. Next, Now I am taking a very simple question. Hmm. Question number 3 from exercise 10.2. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through passing through 0 comma 0 with slope m. Okay, so again this is point intercept form. Okay, then question number 1 from your book. Find the equation of line equation of line satisfy the conditions. Okay, find the, okay, no, I'll be writing another question. Leave it, just simply write the equation for x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so up to here we will do today, and the next 2-point intercept form we will be doing tomorrow. Okay, so you have to revise this topic, and those who haven't done exercise 3.1 till now, they have to do exercise 3.1. Okay, 10.1, sorry, you have to complete exercise 10.1, and you have to practice the questions of point slope form of exercise 10.2. Okay, so rest we will be doing tomorrow. Okay, so bye everyone. Any doubt you people have, you can ask me. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? ओके, बाय एवरीवन.